worth buying? Let's go to the video introduction. Okay, why beginners choose cheap drones? Okay, beginners choose cheap drones because of this. Beginners choose cheap drones because of their cost cutting, like that. Okay, and are they actually worth the money? Because cheap drones are so cheap. Even the electronics are so cheap, and cheap drones are good for learning. Okay, and you can learn takeoff, landing, and controls, like that. You need to practice before spending money on DJ drones and other drones. Okay, and when you buy a cheap drone, you are less fear of crashing. If you buy a good drone, you are nervous. Okay, you are nervous, and you try to fly it safely without crashing, and you don't know you will crash, but you will crash. Okay, and okay, main problem of cheap drones. Okay, GPS versus non-GPS drones. Now cheap drones don't have GPS, and good drones have GPS, and the mistake is GPS, non-GPS. Now GPS drones are stay in place even wind is strong, but it will go after that. The drones wind resistant limit, but non-GPS drones are completely different. But there are some drones like what flow, something like that. Then there is a downward facing camera that is also sometimes fake in cheap drones, and there's wind resistant problems and drifting issues, like that in GPS. And camera quality, they say 4K, 8K, 6K, like that. They tell that in the box for advertising purposes, and that is completely fake in cheap drones. But stabilization also matters. I can tell you like this: if you take a footage on your phone by your hand, the footage will shaky, and it is not stable. Okay, if you take the same video on the hand and gimbal, if you use the gimbal for that video same purpose, the video will be so smooth that it will feel like a professional level camera, like that. It's so stable. Okay, like that only. That is means stabilization. Now DJ Mini 5 Pro, Mavic 4 Pro, AR3s, Inspire 3, those have so many stabilization and good camera quality, best camera quality in the world. And features difference. Okay, some have return to home in cheap drones. Okay, they sell as return home. Even I have drone, even this drone has a return home, but the return home is not connecting to satellites, and the drone comes. If I fly the drone forward, if I again click the return home, the drone will auto come back. It won't sense any obstacles, and it will crash into tree, any wires or fences, anything. It won't for look at it. Now GPS best drones are like, it go for a set altitude, and it come back, and obstacle sense, and come to your exact type of one. But this non-GPS drones are not like that. It will go unlimited to back. Even it will pass your home point location in the cheap drones. Okay, their home point is fake, and the GPS positioning is also like cheap. Okay, you can expect a nominal usage time in fake GPS, and there are smart flight modes. There are like so many buttons you can see, and so many buttons to people make by their drone. Okay, and the obstacle avoidance use IR sensors, like that. To see on the drone, there are some like sensors, but those are IR sensors, not vision sensors like DJ drones. And the tracking features also, like that face detection, like that, hand saw gesture to start record a photo. Those are fake. If I tried, those are also fake. And the build quality and durability, and they are like arms, Ola brake, and cheap electronics, like that. And their propeller motor issues soon arise if brushed motors in 1.5 months, like that. I think you can't also use that much time. Brushless motor, it has the longest usage time of the brushless motor, and battery quality is not optimized. You can see like 3 ports, but there are only 2 pins and the 3 ports. Okay, and DJ drones are smart. They have a battery management system. I mean BMS, like that. Okay, and cheap drones versus DJ comparison. DJ drones have good stability, good video quality, safety features, and user experience. And you can find the DJ drone if it is lost. You can use the find my drone feature. And who should buy cheap drone? Complete beginners who are new to drone flying, like that. And if you need to train for a drone first time, you have to buy the cheap drones, and people testing the hobby, students, like that. Who should avoid cheap drones? People wanting cinematic videos, serious pilots about flight time and good quality, good stabilization and safety features and obstacle avoidance. And final answer. Okay, cheap drones are worth it for learning. Okay, they are not a DJ replacement. They DJI is the world #1 drone brand, and even cheap drones ever existed. DJI is the first time drone making. After that only the other brands also came, like Parrot, Hotel. I don't tell those brands, and they are not bigger replacement. Choose based on your purpose, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I do like these reviews, tutorials, and so much. And subscribe, and we are near to 150 subscribers, more 40 subscribers we need, and support us and look over my next videos. I will see you in the next video.